22, and we're back here on Twist and Shout. Well, I have a new album, by the way.
You do?
Can I promote my new album?
By all
It's a
means.
new collection of old albums. 3 CDs in one.
Everybody's gonna get a copy.
Get your copy
Especially
now.
when they get excited with this second round, which
Round
is
two.
actually worth 2 points from each judge. So ipakilala na natin ang ating next weapon of mass distraction.
This is a professional depilation chair.
At habang kumakanta, dalawang waxer ang magdidistract sa ating mga contestants.
By just that, waxing off their manly balahibo. Ouch!
Para binyagan ang ating second weapon of mass distraction, it's from the blue team,
Yay!
OJ! Sabi ni OJ, clumsy at accident-prone daw
He
siya.
goes to the gym only kapag sinipag siya. Every week, nagpapakalbo siya. Why? To sing. Because of you. Put your hands together for OJ of the blue team. Hila Bira. You like that? Ouch!
Want to, but I can't help it. I love the way it feels. It's got me stuck between my fantasy and what is real. I need it when I want it. I want it when I don't. Tell myself I stop every day, knowing that I won't. I got a problem and I don't know what to do.
Sing it, OJ.
Even if I did, I don't know if I would. But I got it out. I'm taken by the thought of me. And I know this much is true. Baby, you become my addiction. But I like it, and it's all because of you. And it's all because of you. And it's all because of you. Never get enough. She's a sweet
OJ likes pain.
and I know this much
Depilation.
true. Baby, you become my addiction. I'm so strung out on you, very cool, but I like it. It's all because of you. Said it's all because of you. And it's all because of you. Never get enough.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Because of you, OJ.
OJ, you now look like a zebra.
Wait, look at your legs. Look at your legs. You look like the number 11. Look.
No, he looks like a zebra,
stop.
I'm telling you. Masakit.
No, masakit.
Masakit?
A little higher daw. He
Pero
would like
masakit,
to-
pero very nice
He'd
daw.
like to be a soprano next week. All right, thank you very much for tolerating the pain.
Maka-blue!
Come on, that was painful.
Ibang klase to ah.
From the red team, deep in prayer is Duncan. Let's see if he's able to pull this off. Watch this. How Kimikero, but he's really a homebody.
He has 2 tattoos and 5 body piercings. To sing Rock With You from the red team, Duncan Hilavira!
Now you know why Michael Jackson has a high voice. We're gonna find out right now.
Girl, close your eyes. Let the rhythm get into you. Don't try and fight it. There ain't nothing that you can't do. So just relax your mind. Lay back and groove in your mind. You gotta feel the heat, and we can rock it again. Share be the love. I wanna rock with you, yeah. All night. Get you in today. I wanna rock with you. Come on. We gon' rock the night away. Yeah. Out on the floor. There
You
ain't
can do it.
nobody there.
Not so high. There's no hair there.
Girl, when you dance, we can ride the boogie. Can I be the love? I wanna rock with you, yeah. Dance to me today.
The indestructible Duncan.
With you all the way. We don't hide away.
Yeah! Duncan has rocked the whole song. How do you feel, Michael Jackson? Well, now we know where you get your falsetto from. That's
Yes,
good.
sir.
You okay? You gonna be fine?
Always.
Are those tears or it was a very touching song.
Oh, yeah, right.
Well, the Harry experience, he went through it. Let's give Duncan a round of applause. Mr. Red. Come on, cheer for your people. That was one Harry experience. Let's see once again from the tail of the tape.
Oh, yeah.
As we watch the hair
I don't wanna
splitting
see this again.
moment.
Okay, 2 points ang pwedeng ibigay for this round. Judges, let's start with Aiza.
Masasabi ko, yung isa kahit nasasaktan siya at kahit nadidistract siya sa mga nagawak sa kanya ay napanatili niyang maganda pa rin ang labas ng boses. Habang yung isa naman, I love you, Dunks. Mahal kita, pare. OJ, you got my 1 point. Sorry,
Love you,
1 point plus another point. 2 points, 2 points, 2 points.
2 points for the blue team. Jimmy.
Alam mo, si Duncan, kahit na yung kanta niya may piyok, medyo nag-performance pa rin siya, performance value pare, tsaka yung medyo nilandi mo yung mga ano eh.
Ikaw talaga pagdating sa pag...
Hindi,
Ikaw talaga,
you know,
oo.
all I'm saying is that he used his pain and turned it into joy.
Yes.
So Duncan, you have my 2 points.
Wow! He got his pain and turned it into game. Candy.
OJ, gusto ko maging nurse mo.
Wow.
Let's go!
Kinanta mo ng buo, oozing with sexiness. Duncan, the pain, the persistence. Wow. The panic, diba? I saw the panic again. There. Namuntik na magkaroon ng tears. But nevertheless, you get my 2 points.
Whoa! What is that?
Teka muna. Medyo interesting ngayon ang,
Wow.
ang labanan ng mga blue at saka mga red. Dahil sa ngayon, if you look at the entire Twist and Shout for tonight, the blue team is still up by 1 point with 5 points and the red team with 4 points.
But good catch up. Good catch up.
But not to worry, dahil sa pagbabalik ng Twist and Shout, we will still twist and shout!